Morning to everyone, student. Today welcome back to online class. So here we are going to start chapter number 1, integer, from class 7th. So dear student, our first chapter for the class 7th is integer. So here we are going to see what do you mean by integers. As last year also you people had already studied about integers. Integers is what? It is suppose this one is a bag which is carrying all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers. Positive number, that means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, dash 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 up to infinity, and in the same way negative number, that means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dash 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 up to infinity. Along with the positive and negative numbers, it carries 0. Okay, so whole together these numbers are called an integers. Clear everyone? Have you understood? So here in this chapter we are going to see integers, and before starting the topic integers we are going to see some basic topics like what is natural number, what is prime number, what is composite number, odd numbers, even numbers, isn't it? So as you know, what is a natural number is? A natural numbers are all counting numbers are called a natural number. This everybody know, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash dash dash, these are the counting numbers, isn't it? So whatever the counting numbers we are having, that counting numbers is only said to be as a natural number. Okay, and suppose what do you mean by a whole number? Suppose in this bag we are having all counting numbers. These are the counting numbers. So this bag is carrying all counting numbers with it. Okay, so these are the counting numbers and it carries all the counting numbers. This one is a bag. Okay, so here if inside this bag, if we are not having a 0, we are not having a 0 inside it, isn't it? Then it is known as a natural number. If we are going to put 0 inside a bag, then it will become a whole number. Understood everyone? It means that all the counting numbers, if we are going to add a 0 in the counting numbers or a natural numbers, it is said to be as a whole numbers. Clear? See, all natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. So these are the natural numbers only. If we are going to add 0 in the natural numbers, then that natural number will automatically become whole number. Clear? A minute difference is there between natural number and whole number is of 0 only. Without 0 it is called a natural number, and with 0 it's called a whole number. Clear everyone? But student, the common things between natural number and a whole number is what? Both are the counting numbers. One is without 0 and another one is with 0. Without 0 is a natural number, with 0 is a whole number. Clear everyone? Now let's see about integers. What do you mean by integers? As the starting of this video, as I told you that if we are having a bag, okay, suppose we are carrying a bag, or we can consider it a circle. Bag and circle both are, we are taking as an example only. Okay, and if this bag or a circle is carrying all the positive numbers and another side all the negative numbers. Positive numbers, that means plus 1, plus 2, plus 1000, plus 199, like that. Okay, and negative numbers, that means minus 1, minus 2, minus 1000, minus 99, minus 1000. Okay, these are the negative numbers. Along with this positive and negative numbers, if we are going to have 0 is a neutral number. Remember that 0 is a neutral number which does not have any sign in it. Neither 0 is a positive number nor 0 is a negative number. So combinations of all the positive and negative numbers along with 0 is said to be as integers. So this circle we can consider as integers. So have you understood what do you mean by integers? All natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers are called integers. For example, What is the example? As the circle I had drawn, and that inside that circle many numbers I had put, isn't it? So that will be the examples only. So here in this example is given as -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are integers. Now second thing is that what is types of integer? How many types of integer is we are having? Okay, so three types of integer generally we are having. First is the positive integer. Okay, positive integer. Second is the negative integer, and third is the neutral. Okay, so positive integer, that means everybody know all the positive numbers comes inside it. Okay, negative integers means all the minus numbers or negative numbers comes inside this group. And what is neutral? Neutral, that means 0. Okay, it is a 0. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. So this kind of number is said to be as a neutral. Okay, suppose if we are going to write a 0. Okay, 0 is plus 0 minus 0. This way if we are going to write, it is a wrong. Okay, we cannot put plus or minus in front of a 0. 0 is a neutral, that's why we are not going to put any sign in front of it. So this is the introduction of the chapter. Okay, since it is a class 7th, you had already studied many definitions in the class 6th. So this is a general introductions about integer. Okay, so next video we are going to see about the properties of integers, that already you people had studied, like for whole number in class 6th, that is closure property, isn't it? Associative property, commutative property, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. Mainly 4 type of properties an integer is having, that is addition property of integer, second is subtraction property of integer, third is multiplication property of integer, and the last one, fourth, is division property of integer. So tomorrow we are going to see this 4 properties. So dear students, this time we are having the copy correction on the school. We will ask you to bring your copies for the correction or for submissions, so that we can check your copies. So try to write each and every notes along with the definitions. Okay, definition is compulsory, should be present in your copy before starting any chapter. Clear everyone? So this definitions which is available on the screen, you have to write it in your max copy. The size of max copy will be that A4 size college copy you people are having 200 pages, isn't it? So make that college copy of 200 pages as a mathematics copy for that. In that you can start writing the notes. If you are having any doubt, can WhatsApp me or can call and ask me. Myself, Bhuneshwari Yadav. Clear everyone? Thank you.